Hi, I'm Mr. Huber, and in this video we're going to talk about 3fi. So we have this equation, log to the base of 10 of x squared plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 2 times the log of x. Okay, what do we do? Well, we subtract this quantity on both sides, so we get this. And why do we do this? Because we want to write the logarithm as one single quantity. That's what we do. We take this coefficient in. That's the rule that we use, is this one. So log of x to the p is p times the log of x. We've used it many times, so we can take in this coefficient and it will become this exponent. Now we have the difference of two logs, which is obvious what we do. Where it's obvious what we do, we just write it as the log of a quotient, this here. So now we're going to undo the logarithm by using the inverse function. So it's x to the 2 plus 1 over x to the 2, or x squared. And then 10 to the 1 is obviously 10. Then you multiply by x squared on both sides. So you get this. This will be a very simple quadratic. We subtract x squared on both sides, and this is what we get. Now we divide by 9, and we get x is equal to 1/9. And obviously, when you take the square root, you're going to get the square root of 1/9 plus minus, which is plus minus 1/3. So you have two potential solutions. Now let's have a look if these solutions work. So let's check x is equal to minus 1/3. So we look at this equation and we see right away it will not work here. So when you plug it in on the right hand side here, you will have logarithm of a negative number. Well, the logarithm of a negative number is not possible, not defined, not possible. So this solution goes, the minus solution goes. Now let's check the one with the 1/3. So that seems not to make any problems back here. And it doesn't seem to make any problems here. So let's check. Left hand side, we plug it in. Well, this is 1/3 squared plus 1, which is 1/9, plus 1 is 9/9, so it's 10/9. Okay, now let's do it with the right hand side. So it's 1 plus 2 times the log of 1/3. So why is this the same thing? You can't see it right away. Well, you could put it into your calculator, type it in and see that it's the same, but you could also carry on and argue. Look, why is this the same thing? Well, this could be rewritten because log of 10 over 9 is log of 10 times 1/9. Well, this is now, by another rule, the log of a product is the sum of the logs. So you just write it like this, log of 10 plus log of 1/9. Well, log of 10, 10 to the what is 10? Well, 10 to the 1 is 10, so that's 1. And this is log of 1/9. We're not even interested in its result, but we've shown that the left-hand side can be written like the right-hand side. So it is the same, which leads to the conclusion that the solution set is 1/3. So I hope it wasn't too difficult. See you in the next one.